You already know what day today is. We gotta lock in. We're trying to be successful. How you guys doing today? Welcome back to another video of a back testing session on a Sunday. You know what I'm saying? We always gonna try to aim for a Saturday, Sunday back testing video every single week. We're gonna try and stay consistent with that. Yeah, let's get straight into it. So since we have our little continuation, we can continue. Balance is at 51.9. We're trying to get it to 53. You know what I'm saying? So let's keep working on that. Let's keep working on finding the right setups. And yeah, let's keep it pushing. So what we're gonna do is go to the next day. Huh? You see what I'm saying? They already starting off with the nonsense. You cannot go to this date. Where are we at? It's 2024. I'm confused. This was a nice setup that we caught the other day too. And I just wasted that too. Sucks. Alright. Whatever. We will just chart it out so we don't have to waste too much time. Around like 8:30 find our setup. Wait, hold on. Let's just remove everything real quick. And then yeah, around 8:30 find our setup there and keep it pushing. Nice. Around the 15-minute, let's keep it moving. Oh, I like that. Oh, we're dumping. Interesting. Okay. So let's go to New York Open. Oh, damn, I actually went an hour ahead. Very unfortunate. Let's see though. So boom. Have this liquidity here. Let's chart this out real quick. All this unfilled, which is inside of a fair value gap. We could also chart that out too. All this liquidity stored into this fair value gap. Who knows if price is trying to manipulate and take that liquidity, but let's see what happens. Still on the 1 hour, I want to see what's going to happen. I'm not a little bit, created a SMT, I would assume. But honestly, I'm currently just waiting to see if we're gonna inverse this, because if we inverse this, then we're also in a good position as well. So let's see what happens. Ooh, damn, perfect. That's actually what we're looking for. We can enter long. Target this high. Target, nah. We gotta be logical here, because realistically, what's the trend that we're moving in? We're clearly moving. This is consolidation, as we see here. Bunch of consolidation going on here. I'm looking to target up these highs, but I know that's most likely not going to happen. I would say, since we already inversed, which is perfect, and we tap back into it, we could definitely just target up here. Genuinely feel like I could just have my stop loss down. Probably go for like a little 1-to-1. Yeah, we'll go for a little 1-to-1. This is not really normally what I'd go for, but also it's fine to just go for a 1-to-1 also, because look at this. I clearly missed my entry. Clearly. But it's okay though, because we're just going to keep it pushing. Place order. Boom. I'm fine with how much I'm risking. Oh, yeah. It's about 1%. Go for a little 1-to-1. Stop loss is at 183.09. I just realized something. There was an easier way for me to do this. I remember it was an easier way for me to do this, bro. I just don't know how. Hold on. It's a buy order that I'm trying to do. Okay, there we go. That's not how much I'm trying to risk though. but I'm definitely understanding. We're gonna try to like work on this together. So we're gonna do what? 4 lots. Got a basically a market. We're buying, save, stop loss down here, TP up here. I'm fine with how much the risk goes to. Oh, damn, damn, damn. All right, cool. Obviously, if that's the case, we most likely are moving in a downtrend. But damn, that's really crazy. Ah, jeez. There has to be a reason why that's the case, though. Probably price is just looking to target this zone right here, which is inside of an order block. So let's say we take this liquidity. I definitely feel like price is going to continue moving higher. Boom. Let's see what happens here. Boom. Take that liquidity. Showed your change in the state. All right, so we might. Huh? How's the simulation over? So that was all of what, October? Okay, whatever. So the balance is 51,600. Okay. Let's just move on to November or something. You know. Let's do like, let's do this year. We'll do like February to like the end of February. Yeah. Or nah. To the end of, to the start of like March 1st. Yeah, let's go there. It's not bad. Boom. All right, cool, cool, cool. Go to next day open. This is not next day open, but okay. All right. Boom. What the? Oh, so we're definitely gonna have some complications. So if we're moving in a downtrend, all right. So took out this liquidity, took out this, took out this, took out this. All of these zones have been taken out except this one. Boom. I'm not trying to speed run. I'm just trying to understand the market and see what it's trying to do here. This is actually perfect. Like this right here would probably be a perfect setup to end up shorting. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not even gonna lie. It's a good reaction. I just feel like this is weird. All this like, all the stuff that's going on, it just feels weird. I'm going to the next day open, honestly, because that just feels weird. I can't really tell what the market's trying to do because of these unnecessary gaps that we got going on. Yeah. Respected this, but we also have this one right here. I want to see this reaction. Perfect. All right. And the beauty of this is all this unfilled liquidity here. We might have some complications over here, but we'll see what happens. This, in regards to shorts though, this might be a little issue, but we'll see. Cause I've been trying to buy, bro. Why are they playing with me? Yeah, this is how much I'm fine risking. Yeah. Okay. Hit my stop loss. About to get stopped out here. Cool. I'm gonna assume though that they wanted to take liquidity before the move. Deepening the zone. So we'll see what happens. That could have just been okay. Yeah, so let's see the highest time frame inversion. Probably be here. Nah, I don't even think that's FEG. This is, but I don't really consider that. Highest time frame inversion will be this, which we just got. So now we could enter, break even down, break even above this high, and TP still actually up at that zone. I'm still targeting this zone. Went, swept the liquidity, created a change in the state. All right, cool. 7. Bruh. 9. Cause bruh. 12. Like, and buy. There we go. There we go. Damn, stop out again? Okay. I guess price just wants to mitigate lower then, if that's the case. Because we created a breaker structure up here. Quite confused. We just tapped into this zone. Unless I missed my... No, I didn't miss my entry. Interesting. See what happens. Let's continue watching. Seems like we're definitely moving shorter. But now I'm confused because what exactly was price looking to go to now create the change in the state? It didn't even take out this low, so I'm gonna assume another asset must have taken out this low. And if we inverse this, then we could probably go long. Alright, cool. It's more than enough conviction that I need. SMT at the low. Still going with this TP at the high. Alright. 8. Oh, hell no. We're not risking that much. That's crazy. 5. No, 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 no. Maybe because my stop loss is pretty high. So I'll go with 2. Buy. Yeah, that looks better. Yeah, let's go. Alright, cool. TP up there. Alright, then the only point I'm gonna assume that ES probably took out the slow that created the SMT, and then we ended up displacing higher. That's not bad. Going into next day open. Just remove all this actually. Yeah, I knew price was looking to go higher too though. Felt it coming. Okay. More liquidity down here. We have multiple unfilled. Creating a lot of choppiness. As you see here, we created a break. Created a break to the upside, but it tapped into multiple FUGs and disrespected, so we might drop. Probably looking for sell side if we're being honest. Because as you see here, we came into these zones and bullish pressure has lacked severely as it tapped into multiple FUGs but could not displace higher. So this is a mistake that I made when I was trading. Oh, I didn't even laugh to look to the left, and I see why. I should have looked to the left. Look at this, beautiful. With the unfilled gap too, but I guess this is our swing high, swing low. Tapping into the zone, unmitigated 1 hour, 2 hour, whatever. Price is definitely looking to go shorter. So what I would say is I'd wait for them to grab liquidity and see what it wants to do from there. Nice, nice. So now that we grab the liquidity, I'm looking to see what price is specifically trying to do. If it's going to continue moving up, then I wouldn't say I would go long because we're still in this 1 hour gap and we haven't really shown very strong conviction that we're moving bullish. So let's continue, see what happens. Yeah, kind of figured we were going short. Let's see if we could get something that we could retrace back into. All right, boom. We have this 5 minute right here. We disrespect this. I'll go long. I mean, I'll go short. Sorry. Oh wait, actually, we also have this also. Had this little tiny FVG here. We honestly could stab at a short TP down here. At these lows, at these liquidity lows. Because as you see, price is giving strong conviction, and I don't want to take an entry and then boom, it's like a 1-to-1. You feel me? So I'll probably just stop loss up here, TP down here. Why does my thing look like it's about to die? Chill. Yeah. This did create strong bullish pressure to the upside, but we also have this 1 hour. Or my laptop is literally forcing itself to die. Okay. If we which we did actually, I just realized we disrespected this. Yeah, I'm definitely going short. Definitely going short. Cool, we got stopped out. Oh, okay. I was about to say that would have been interesting if we just stopped this out at the tick and then continued. But yeah, not surprised also. We were inside of this gap. So we have disrespected bullish, and now it seems like we could honestly flip biases after we have disrespected, grabbed the liquidity, respected this FEG here. We could literally decide to go bullish now. We have disrespected bearish order flow, and now we are showing signs of bullish order flow. Stop loss over here, TP up here. I want to see what price is willing to do. Buy 5 contracts. Sorry. Buy 5 contracts. Entry. I'm confused. Is that not word? So not at current price? Whatever, I'll just do a limit. Wow, it edged my TP. Wow, it literally just edged my TP. Wow. Wait, why was my TP hot? That's why. I literally forgot I had it down here. That's why. That's on me. Because I forgot about that. Alright, next day open. Do around here. Cool. Yeah. That's so crazy. I would have just been in profit. I literally just realized that. Because I had my position. I had my position at the right place. That's crazy. I literally genuinely forgot that I was not paying attention as much. I gotta lock in. Created equal highs here. We have a fair value gap here. I want to see what price is gonna do once we enter it. Tapped in. If we show signs of a change in the state, we could definitely switch flip biases. Okay, so we're disrespecting. Yup, we are completely disrespecting. Or that just might be a grab of liquidity if we're being honest. Yeah, that looks exactly like what that is. So boom. Tap into this. Grab the liquidity here. I want to see it be taken, and once we take it, I'm definitely looking to go bullish. I mean bearish, sorry. Tap into it, tap into it. You know you want it. Okay, strong displacement to the downside already. Just missed my entry. That's okay though. because now we have another one. Let's see how price reacts here. Yeah. See, if we respect this fair value gap, we could honestly look to take another position, respecting all of this, and definitely look to go short. First thing I want to see is the reaction that we're going to get from this FVG. I have so much going on. Get rid of that, get rid of that. Oh. What was it, a 30? Yeah, it's a 30-minute. Depending on how we react from this 30-minute determines if we continue moving shorter. So let's see what price is doing. Nice. Strong reaction. Strong reaction. Completely disrespecting bullish order flow. Have my stop loss up there because I do also want to target that area. Have my TP down here. Honestly, I'd go all the way down if I'm being honest, but it's kind of a stretch. So yeah. Stop loss above 2 to our ratio, TP, yeah. Six contracts. Hold on. Okay. I'd probably move my stops to break even once we get to this low. Forgot all about break evens all of a sudden. I'm speeding this up. Cool. Move to break even. Manage our risk better. Just looks like price is not. Oh my god. Bruh, again? Again? That's the second trade where it almost hit my TP and then didn't. Okay. The reason I targeted this area is because this is what created the swing high. As you see here, this is the move that created the swing low to the swing high, creating the breaker structure. So if you think I'm like just putting it at any point, I'm really not. Like this right here created the move that pushed price up. So I was looking to target down here. Imagine price then decides to go, but reality, we're honestly catching good setups, good trades. It's just unfortunate. All right, so let's continue. That was so tough too. I'm not even gonna lie, that was so tough. All right, boom. I'm still having this area as a point of interest. I could definitely tell price was scared, but we have new areas of liquidity. So, but today it looks like it's a consolidation day. I don't know why. Let's see what happens with price when they do. Damn, a bunch of areas of liquidity, a bunch. So boom, perfect. Like perfect. Target up here. But I want to see this reaction. So if we could get this to dump back into this FEG, and I want to see the reaction from the FEG. We're chilling. Yep. Beautiful. 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 really looking to target up here, so I might have some runners. But we'll see what happens. But damn, that's kind of unfortunate. Bruh, please stop with that. It's like, what do you mean? Bad risk. Not trying to risk that much. Trying to risk a little bit more. Took some losses. Some unfortunate losses too. Jeez. I'll do the risk thing. I'll figure that out. Take part. Yeah, hold on. I forgot how to do it. I want to do it now before anything else though. Take my partials. Oh yeah, it hasn't put me in the trade. Okay. Let's just watch it and see what happens. Alright. Now that we're in the trade, okay. Will it allow us to do it? So confused. I'm actually so confused, man. Go to position, edit, add partial. There we go. Partials at 21,721. Wait, did it put it? Oh. Okay. Now we could watch as it does what it has to do. Probably go break even at this high. If we end up touching the high. Nice, break even. Nice, take partials. And boom. Just like that. That's good risk management. I'm not gonna lie, it was great risk management. Great risk management. Like absolutely great risk management. I promise you. I promise you that was so good. Okay. That was a nice trade. I'm not even gonna lie. That was a very nice trade, and the market did exactly what it needed to do. Okay. Go to the next day. Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of all of this. There's no way. What time is this? Oh, this is just 1 o'clock. God damn. I'm on the 5 minute. I'm dumb. I'm there thinking, I'm like, damn, like, what's going on? Alright. Go back to the 1 hour. I knew it. I literally knew it, but I did not expect that. What? I knew it was gonna drop from the candle alone. I did not expect that though. Could have full ported at that point. Was this CPI? Jeez, man. All right, so it looks like we're gathering liquidity. We just took these highs. We just took. Like, there's no way Price did that. Like, that's actually funny. That's so funny. I literally said in my head, I bet it's about to drop, bro. The candle just gave, it's gonna drop. And now we have a gap, created another inverse for value gap, took out these lows. That's funny. Uh, Bias going in today. I was looking short though. Let's see. So it's 9 o'clock. Took out these lows. Yeah, took out these internal lows. Yeah, this is definitely going up. I haven't even I wasn't really paying too much attention on it, but yeah, definitely. And we just created an inverse. Yeah. I do want to see the reaction that we're gonna get because we have multiple areas of yeah. So I also want to see what exactly is gonna happen. I would go long. Stop loss at this low, back into this range. TP up here. Probably TP all the way up here. If we're being honest, it's actually edging it. It's literally edging it. So um, see what can happen here. Partials here. Good risk. Good risk. Um, but yeah. Also, we could definitely. I want to see what else price is looking for. Doesn't seem like we tapped into the 1 hour, 30 minute. You name it. Um, doesn't seem like we need any more liquidity because he already grabbed so much. Price definitely had a strong reaction. Um, I would say I want to see it clear this 30 minute, inverse this 30 minute, but at the same time we already inverse the 15 minute. I do want to see what price is looking for though. So let's go into a shorter time frame because this one's a little bit more riskier. Yeah, yep. This one's a little bit more riskier. I want to see if price could definitely close above a few candles before entering. Tap into this. Seems like we just tapped it. Yep, we tapped into it. I didn't even realize. Yeah, let's go long. Stop loss down there. TP up there. Let the runners run. About to let this bitch play out. Also, I need to look at the time frame as well. What's the time frame looking like? Higher time frame. We've been moving bullish. We had that. I'm gonna assume that was news. 100%. Yeah. Interesting. Interesting reaction. Interesting. What in the world is price doing? I had an area of break even. No. We're not doing this again. We're not doing this again. This is the second time, man. What? Yo, Price is hilarious. Price is literally hilarious. Trading the Nasdaq is like one of the craziest places to trade, I swear. But yeah, we're back in basically back where we were before. Um, uh, good trade, good trade. I couldn't even risk. I couldn't even do my break evens because as you see, we came up, slammed down, came back up. But I did see this 5 minute here, so I knew it had to be respected. We were respecting a lot of bullish order flow. All right, this ended around 2 o'clock, so let's continue on. I might just go for one more trade and then we're done. But let's continue, see what happens. All right, so we definitely tapped into all areas. That price. Oh, I didn't even realize we're actually not. We're actually not at all the areas that price has been before. You have these highs. Got these highs. Go to the 4 hour. We already took out this, this, and that. Still got these lows that we need to keep. So who knows? We could actually be finally moving bearish. But with all these unnecessary weird gaps, like I don't know what price is really trying to do. Trusted my setup. I didn't think we were gonna drop any lower because, like I said, we tapped into a FEG that was respected. Yeah. So let's continue. We only went break even once today, so that's really good. Let's go back to the hourly. 9 o'clock. Picking the wrong thing on purpose. Why am I getting so hype? Relax, bro, relax. It's not that serious. Are we closed above? Oh yeah, we're definitely dropping. We closed above that, and we're scared, and price is scared. It looks like we're scary. I don't even think I would trade today, if I'm being honest with you. Let's see. Let's just see what happens, though. Let's just see what happens. We closed above this. This right here is weird. Usually, if we close above, we have a little mini drop. So if we don't have a mini drop, we're definitely like consolidating for a drop. What did I say? Maybe not. Maybe we actually might be moving bullish. But yeah, I wouldn't trade that. I wouldn't trade today. There's nothing that I was looking for, being honest. Like, this is cool, but then again, it's not even in my range. So yeah, probably not. Oh, we took it. Okay, so it just seems like we're in a steady bullish day. Okay. So next day open. Because it's like 1 o'clock already. Wait, is this the nighttime? Cool. Alright. Could do a continuation. Say we take out this low. Do we have a gap? Yes. Alright, boom. Perfect, actually. Let's say we tap into this gap. And we slam and take the liquidity down here. I'd probably look to go long. Oh, damn. Never mind. It said fuck that area. It said fuck that area. Okay. Am I still looking to go long? Absolutely. We're probably at all-time highs right now. Yeah, we're at all-time highs right now. Yeah, I don't know. Don't think I really have a zone. Alright. Let's say we inverse this, which we did. I want to see what price is going to do as we tap into this 5 minute. If we could inverse this 5 minute, that's even better. But that's not really a good RR. So boom. I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do. Wait for price to tap into this. Is this a 15 or a 5? It's 5 minute right here. Got a little reaction, but not a reaction. Ah, damn, I missed my entry. Whatever. Stop loss below this low. TP up here at the body. Nah, I forgot. All the way up here. Sorry. Because I was actually looking to go long regardless. Yeah. See what happens. Place order. 5. Hold on, I'm so sorry. Break even at the highs. Should we let a runner? Should we let a runner going? Should we get a runner going? Should we? You know what? We will, because we're at all-time highs, man. Who knows the possibilities of price, man? Who knows? We're gonna get a runner going. This is if I ever had a funded account. Clearly, I can't do this on an eval, but you know what I'm saying. Like, come on. Add partial. Take partial at that area, and I'm gonna just like. We just put like 2280 or something. Two 80. Yeah, I want to see what price is gonna do, man. We got stopped out. Understandable. But yeah, that's fine. I'm gonna assume we created an S&T here. I'm going to assume we took out this low on another asset and created an S&T. Let's say we close. I want to see us close above this because this is like basically two FVGs if we're being honest. We close above this. I'm definitely looking to go long, break even at the high, and then let the runners run. I don't like that candle. Going in a smaller time frame. Yeah, see, I knew I didn't like that. Yep, perfect. Crazy stop loss. What am I doing? Break even at this high. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. What do you mean? What do you mean, bro? It's always something with this. Like, come on. And if we are close, you know what I'm saying? Runners are running. I'm putting it all the way up here. I believe price could do it. If I believe it, you should believe it too. Alright. If we lose this trade, then it's like, you know, fuck it. Alright, cool. Did we come here? Break even. Hold on. Let me actually adjust my, make sure that go to position edit, add partial. TP is at, should be at 222. It's 2222. 2220. Alright, cool. There we go. Looks better now. Alright, let's go. Hey, do it! No, yes! No way! We were so close, man. We were so close. Like, we were not that far. But that's good because we had a good risk management. And now we're back to basically our regular balance. Ah, that sucks. Let's see the analytics. Today. Nah, this was fun. I'm not gonna lie. Backtesting is really fun. We had a 50% win rate. Who cares? You know what I'm saying? Win rate doesn't matter. We won 5 trades, lost 5 trades. I swear we did not have 6 break-even trades. This thing is lying to us. But I don't really care. We basically did get back to break-even, if we're being honest. You know what I'm saying? We had some great trades, some bad trades, but overall, it was fun, man. This was fun. I do love backtesting. I don't know why I didn't do it before, but I really do like backtesting. We are back to 51.9, which is okay, you know what I'm saying? But this has to be capped. There's no way we got 6 break-even trades. I think it was like 2 or 3. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? We did great today. Or is it break even because I put it to break even? I don't know. I don't really care. You know what I'm saying? 50% win rate. We definitely had some good wins, some bad losses. Unnecessary losses, but at the end of the day got to end, and it ended off strong. We're back to break even. So now this honestly does obviously give me more confidence in the market. I feel good, feel great. We're all gonna have a great trading week this week, and the next week, and the next week, and the next week, and the next week. We're all gonna get our first payout. We're all gonna work hard. We're all gonna grind, and we're all gonna win. So we're definitely gonna continue this video. We have it at 51.9. basically where we started off at. And yeah, we're gonna keep growing this account. We're gonna get it back to where we needed to. And yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I was slacking in the beginning because I was a little tired, but then I had to lock in a little bit. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. You know what I'm saying? I hope you guys learned something. I hope you guys somewhat understood my strategy, but I did make it a little quick because I didn't want to keep you guys here long. But yeah, I enjoyed making this video. You guys don't have to watch it. But yeah, we definitely went crazy. Had some good trades, had some bad trades, had some trades we could have won and honestly been good. Had some trades we lost, you know what I'm saying? Had some trades that we won, and you know what I'm saying? We could have had some runners in that bitch, but we're at all-time highs. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Hope you guys take care of your family, stay safe. God bless always. Yeah, 52 minutes? I was doing this for 52 minutes? Yeah, y'all don't have to watch this. This is just for me.